Recently, due to attacks by Russian terrorists on the Ukrainian energy system, power cuts for several hours a day have become commonplace. If for some reason you don't have a flashlight or even a cell phone that has a lamp, you can make an oil lamp which people have used 2000 of years. My grandmother taught me how to make such a lamp many years ago. You will need a piece of potato, a piece of fabric or bandage, and oil. Sunflower oil or even from canned fish. It also works very well. So you have to piece a potato and make a hole in it, just in the center, a little hole. Okay, you can cook rest of potato later. Yes, I use a piece of bandage, just cut a little bit. Then pull the fabric or bandage through the hole and use something as a lamp. You have to make it shorter, maybe. Okay. Then pour in the oil. It's a fuel. Saturate the fabric with oil. And keep it short. Okay, it's enough. Then set it on a fire. First you need to char the fabric, and then next time it will light up faster. Okay, it works. Lots of soot and stench. It smells like a cheap dinner, but does a job.